I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I can get you. Show Grandma how you walk on the treadmill. Yes, he is. Brandon, do you want to get down? Come here, let's get down. Come here. Oh, stand up. We don't know yet. I'm taking movies right now for you. Brandon, wave hi. Wave hi to Dee Dee. I'm gonna get you. Thank you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I get you. I get you. Brandon, where are you going? No, come here. Come here, come this way. Now he's trying to do the stepper. He's trying to do the stepper. Come here, Bran. Whoa, are you okay? Wave to Grandma. Wave to Grandma. Now he's trying to lift weights. Yeah. He's getting a whole workout in. Huh. He's stuck. Come here. Come this way. No, it's sunny and it's getting hot.
It was really sunny here. All of a sudden the clouds came out. Now all of a sudden it's very hot in the country.
Brandon, where are you going?
I can't believe it.
Say hi.
You saved all the money. You're a broadcast. Man.
Uh-oh.